Good morning everyone, I'm the Michael Francisco.
And I am Daniel John Salcedo from 7:30 to 8:30 MWF class.
Daniel, ready to dive into the verbiage? Let's quickly start with the context.
Sure, Arnold wrote this in 19th century when traditional beliefs were being shaken by science. His sea of faith metaphor reflect that feeling of the losing stability.
Right, when he described the sea retreating, it's like he's mourning a loss of sense of certainty. Then he's capturing not just his personal struggle but also society shaped away from his religious faith.
Exactly. And final line, love let us be true to one another. Suggests love is his last hope for stability.
Love replaces the comfort that faith once provided, and the structure. Do you think the irregular from also reflects his sense of uncertainty?
Definitely, the lack of strict crime scheme mirrors the unpredictable he feels. The form itself as chaotic as the world you describing.
The imagery, we start with a calm scene, but there's the grating roar of pebbles shifting us from peace to chaos.
Yes, Arnold contrasts light with darkness, ending on a darkling plains to emphasize how inevitable that chaos feels.
Now let's try a quick deconstruction. If he's seeking stability, why compare faith to something fluid like the sea?
It's ironic his plea to be true implies stability, but the chaotic world suggests nothing really is.
Right. His language, confused alarm, struggle and plight, shows that the more he reaches for certainty, the more it eludes him. So what's the final takeaway?
I'd say Arnold's message is that in a world where certainty keeps slipping away, our only refuge might be in our connection, however fragile they are.
Agreed. Double Bridge isn't about finding answer, but it is about to acknowledging that in times of doubt, those connections are what keeps us grounded. That's all for today's podcast.
Thank you for listening.